So hello everyone, this is our new topic and we will be starting with parliamentary and presidential system of government, and this is going to be our introductory level video, and let's start. Okay, so let's start. The Constitution of India provides for a parliamentary form of government both at the center and in the states. Article 74 and 75 with the parliamentary system at the center, and Article 163 and 164 in the states. Okay. So modern democratic governments are classified into into like parliamentary and presidential, like these two. On the basis of on what basis these two are classified? The nature of the relations between the executive and the legislative organs of the government. Executive means first we understand the legislative. Legislative is the lawmaking. Then the executive is like the persons or the branch of the government which executes the like the laws and regulations which are formed by the legislative branch. Okay, so these are like two. What are they? The parliamentary and the presidential. Okay, so parliamentary system of government is the one in which the executive is responsible to the legislature for its policies and acts. So now who is the executive? So in India, where we follow the parliamentary system, the executive is a prime minister. Okay, so he is responsible to the legislature for its policies and acts. Okay, the parliamentary government is also known as cabinet government or responsible government or Westminster model of government. Okay. And this is also known as Westminster model of government. And we bought this form of government from Britain. Okay. Remember that it actually comes in competitive exams. So this is very important. The presidential system of government, on the other hand, is one in which the executive is not responsible to the legislator for its policies and acts and is constitutionally independent of the legislature with respect to its term of office. So presidential system, like in which the who is the executive? Executive can be the president. Okay. So, we have seen like, in our world, some countries follow presidential system, some countries follow, parliamentary system. India follows a parliamentary system and presidential system is followed, example can be US, okay, where who is elected as a executive or the president right now, who is. So tell me in the comment section. That will be a homework and responsible to the legislature, and the executive, that is the president, is not going to be like responsible to the legislature or the lawmakers for its his policies and acts. Okay, and he will be independent. Okay, the presidential government, on the other hand, is also known as non-responsible or non-parliamentary or fixed executive system of government. So what happens is, the presidential system, like president is not responsible to anyone. If he wants to do something or do make some policies or acts, he can do it by his own. Okay, he's not responsible or answerable to anyone, and he has a fixed executive term, and we can say that. But here in the parliamentary system is what? It has a responsible government. So, the executive is responsible to the legislature if he is not, if he doesn't provide suitable answers or like proper answers to the legislature, the the executive in the parliamentary system can get suspended as well, or we can say like can he has to resign. Okay, and we will understand this more in depth in the upcoming videos, so make sure to watch those as well. Okay, and now, okay, so this is going to be a flow chart which I will be sharing, and everything we will understand. So today we will see these definitions. Okay, and we will see the parliamentary system first. Okay, so the government system, or we can say government structure in the parliamentary system. How is it? It has an executive branch and a legislative branch, and the leadership. Who are the leaderships? So here we have a prime minister and a cabinet is there in the parliamentary system, and political parties. So it has majority party and coalition government is allowed here. Okay. Then comes the presidential system. How is the government structure? We have here a executive branch and a legislative branch. It is same as the parliamentary system. And here is the leadership. Here we have a president and a cabinet. So there is difference. Earlier we had prime minister and now we have a president here for the leadership. And in the presidential system, the political parties are single party dominance is there or multi-party system is also there. Okay. So we will understand. Okay, let's see some examples here. And in the upcoming videos, we will see, like other advantages and disadvantages in detail. Okay. I'll be explaining everything in detail with examples and whatnot and everything. Okay. So examples, parliamentary system, United Kingdom, Canada, and India, which we already seen. Okay. Presidential system, United States, Brazil, and Mexico. Okay. Let's see the next slide. Okay. Question. India has which system, parliamentary or presidential? This is going to be your homework as well. So do comment down below. I have already, told this answer, but if it will be a test for you, so you have heard everything right or not. So make sure to, comment down below. It is a parliamentary or a presidential system. Okay. So we will meet you. We will discuss the features of presidential and parliamentary systems, and then we will understand why India chose this system, whatever this system, parliamentary or presidential, why it is, and advantages, disadvantages, and everything. So make sure to connect with us. Thank you so much.